Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful Christmas banner. This decoration is very easy to make. All you need for this decoration is red paper, white paper and a piece of ribbon. You can use this as a Christmas garland to decorate your Christmas location. In case you are new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and stay updated on all my future uploads. For this decoration we will be needing red A4 size paper and white A4 size paper. We'll take one A4 and we will fold it in half like this. And we will fold it in half again. Next we'll start here from 0 and we will make a line till 10 centimeters. On the other side we'll make a dot on 5 centimeters. And from that dot we'll make a line to the right edge and one line till the left edge. And we will cut this out. We have here 4 pieces. In total we will be needing 16 pieces like this. After having done so, we will take white color paper and we'll take any circular object and we will be needing 16 circles from this. So what I'll be doing, I'll fold the paper in half once again and again and one more time like this. I'll take my circular object and I'll put it in the middle and I'll make my circle. And then we'll cut out the circle. Next I'll take one more A4 size paper. We will fold it in half again. Fold it in half again like this. And we will fold it in half like this. And one more time like this. We will just cut out the edges. That's the same that we'll be doing on this side as well. Just cut out the edges. Next we'll take 2 A4 size papers and on this we will write our letters for Merry Christmas. Make sure that the letters are small enough so they fit in here. After we have cut out all the letters here, we'll take one piece of this and we will take one circle and we will paste the circle here. We will take glue and we will put glue here and we will paste one circle here and we will apply glue on this upper section here. And then we will paste this here. And then we will take our letter and we will put glue on our letter. And we will paste our letter like this in the middle. Like this we are going to paste all of these. After doing the letters we will have 2 of these remaining, for which we will take another piece of white paper. This is a half A4 size paper. I will fold it in half like this and fold it in half again. And I will draw a small ribbon on this. And we will cut this out. And on these two pieces that we have remaining, the same way we'll apply glue here. We will attach the small circle that we have. And we will paste this above. And the two ribbons that we just made, we'll take one ribbon from that. And we will paste this ribbon in the middle here. That's the same that we are going to do with this one. Next, I have here a red color A4 size paper. I will fold this one in half and fold it in half once again. And here I'm going to draw a big ribbon. Next, we are going to cut this out. Next, we will take a long piece of ribbon. I have here a ribbon of 1.5 meters, and I have cream color ribbon here. I took 1.5 meters, and now I'm going to hang all the decorations that we made. I will leave a distance of about 10 centimeters, and then I'll paste a red ribbon on it. After I've done so, I'll take the first word, which is Mary, and we are going to paste all this in a line. And we'll paste all the flags like this on the ribbon. The same way we are going to do the next one. For the next one, we will take 2 meters of ribbon. So I have here cream color ribbon again, and I'm going to take 2 meters of this. The same way we are going to leave a space of 10 centimeters on the edge. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing, and do check all my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find amazing ideas to make your party and your occasion special.